Hi there, in this video I'll show you how to stop being added to groups on WhatsApp. It's a quick and easy process and works for both Android and iOS devices. First things first, let's open up the WhatsApp. For iPhone users, simply tap on the settings located in the bottom right hand corner of your screen. For Android users, tap on the three dots at the top right hand corner and then select Settings. Once you're in the settings, tap on the Accounts and then go to Privacy. Under Privacy, select Groups, and here you can see the options. Who can add me to groups? By default it's set to everybody. However, you can change this to My Contacts or My Contacts Accept if you want to exclude specific people. Once you've done, select the option, tap on Done, and that's it. Now you won't be added to any groups unless you give permission. So that's how to stop being added to groups on WhatsApp. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe before you go. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.